Today, we're gonna try out the best steak. Grab it and nom nom nom.
Exactly.
Where's the best steak? Where's the biggest steak? At the Big Texan. So they have a 72-ounce free steak here. Oh my God. Oh.
We have Arnel from Twin Falls, Idaho.
If you can finish it, then you don't have to pay. Oh, double vlogging here. We got double vloggers here. Oh, a bear. There's nobody doing it. There's nobody doing it.
Gotta be the only one, dude.
I don't want to be the only one. All these people here. Look at this. We're right by the music. We're right by the music.
Everybody make my prediction. I get song, sing it all night long, and
72-ounce challenge for this guy.
Well, how long does it take to cook it and so forth?
It takes about like 15 to 30 minutes, like somewhere in between there.
Okay.
I'll tell you later, they'll fill out like the paperwork and stuff for you.
Paperwork?
Yeah,
What is the
that's
paperwork
You might die,
for?
dude. You might die.
Oh my God, there's like a liability for this. This is the first time I am signing before I eat. How insane is that? Can we just like get a photo of it, how big it is?
How are y'all? All right, I'm gonna go get ready to call you up there.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God. All right, that's gonna be me very soon. All of these people, all of these people just looking at you eat. It's so weird. This guy's probably getting my steak. There's no way. There's no way. This?
All right, honey, you ready?
Yeah. Let's do this. Are you? Yeah.
this.
Let's do this. I was just gonna about to say something. Okay, that's cool. Let's go. How's it going, man?
He's got 40 minutes left. So he's
Oh, you can do it. I believe you, man.
doing really good.
Oh my God, what did I get myself into? Oh my God. Oh.
Table with the guy in the blue in the hat.
At the end right there?
Yeah. Two what?
You want 2 Sprites? Yeah.
It's gonna be fit.
Okay. You want to go ahead and cut into it, take a bite, try it, make sure it's cooked all right. Go.
Okay, all right. What's your name, man?
Attention, Big Texan! We have Arnel from Twin Falls, Idaho, attempting the 72-ounce challenge. He has 1 hour to eat 4.5 pounds of Texas top sirloin, a baked potato, a side salad, a roll, and 3 fried shrimp. Let's cheer him on! Good luck, Arnel.
Thank you.
Yeah. How would you do it?
Grab it and nom nom nom.
Exactly.
This is my partner in crime. What's your name? James. Look how much. I mean, like, look at it. It's just very good. An 11-year-old did this. A 69-year-old lady did this. And one guy ate 2 of these in an hour. Really? Yeah. The 11-year-old kid did this. Not today, buddy. Not today. All right, I've lost a comrade. He's been shot. My body is shutting down. It's basically saying, please, no more steak. No more. Man versus food. Today, food has won. I'm ashamed. I let everybody down. All right, I didn't finish the steak, but we're here at our next destination.